Hey, what's up, guys? Um, I'm currently looking at BTC USD charts, and honestly speaking, I've been expecting price to sell down to this zone for a very long time. Since last year, October, where I did a technical analysis on this, I expected price to sell down from $115,000 up until this point where we are currently at $63,000. So looking at it, you can see prices um, currently at $63,000. And yesterday, there was a news that came out yesterday that said BlackRock sold about $373.8 million worth of Bitcoin. I mean, all of this news that's coming out is the reason why we have been seeing massive sell-off, right? We've been seeing a lot of sell-off in the markets. A lot of investors are scared, retail investors, and in the likes of institutions as well. But here's the catch. Let me tell you the truth. At this point where the BTC market, the price is the best time to buy. Okay, so because if you measure from where it's falling from, if you measure from where it's falling from, let me measure it like you can see. Measuring from where it's falling from up until this point, the price has, the price has declined over 46%. So I mean, when you see a price decline over 46%, that means there's a potential of price moving back to that area. And from this time is where I'm going to be taking entry. Okay, so I'm going to be entering the market from here as a spot. So I'll be buying Bitcoin at this point. So another zone where I'll be buying Bitcoin, like I said, my first zone is $64,000. So I've stepped into it. My second zone of buying Bitcoin, where we'll be making investments in Bitcoin, is $49,000. Okay, we'll be making investments in Bitcoin when it gets to $49,000. And the third zone I'll be making investments in Bitcoin is when it gets to $32,000, which is around here. Okay, when price gets to this point, $32,000, that's when I'll be making the next investment in Bitcoin. And worst case scenario is when price gets to $27,000. But however, I don't forecast that. I don't see price getting there, but that's the worst case scenario. So I'm going to get into this market with the strategy we call DCA, dollar cost averaging. So I'll be stepping into it little by little, little by little, until price start going in my favor. So that's how I'm going to be making this investment. So I mean, it's not something to be scared of. As you know, Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million coins ever to be mined, and the world population is over 8 billion people. So over the long term, BTC is still going to rise because the more technology advances, the more people get to lay their hands on tools and devices and gadgets, and the more they are exposed to digital economy. So therefore pushing the price of Bitcoin up again. So if you see price at this level, it's not something you should be scared of. This is something you should even be happy about. All right. You should be happy about this. Okay. So I mean, it's something that we have seen, and at this point we are stepping into the market, and we are buying hoping that the price will still go up from this point. So don't be scared. This is not I mean, when you see price selling like this, it's an opportunity. All right, the last time Bitcoin market gave us this opportunity was 2022. It fell all the way to, look at it, price fell all the way from $69,000 all the way to $15,000 in 2022. And from 2023 October down till last year, price bought from $15,000 all the way to $25,000. You can imagine how many percent that is. Let's even check it out. Okay, from $15,000 all the way to, that's over 500% in 2 years. So I mean, it's really a great investment. So when you see the price selling this way, it's an opportunity for you to get inside. This is not a time where you have to panic. It's not a time you have to run away, but this is a time when you have to start getting inside the market. Look, it's night over here, okay? I just have to stand up and come and do this, so you have to see it. So stay tuned. You'll be seeing more videos of this kind. I'll be pushing more videos of this type on my page, on Profit Nation here, everywhere. You'll be seeing me talking about the market generally. All right, so stay tuned and have a blessed time. Don't forget to like, follow, and leave a comment. Tell me what you think about Bitcoin investment. Tell me if you've had an experience before. Let us know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.